Okay, so hi, hello everyone. Today I'm training my weighted pull-ups, and I would like to also tell you some advantages of doing weighted calisthenics, like weighted pull-ups. So first of all, I'm doing my warm-up set with a 10 kg plate. So let's do one warm-up set. Then afterwards, I will talk to you. So this is 10 kg rubber or plastic plate, whatever you call it, but it's good for me. So this was a warm-up set of with 10 kg. I have two plates of 10 kg. So next set, from next set I will be starting the real weighted pull-ups. I will be adding 10 kg more. It will be total 20 kg. My weight is approx 80 kg and I am 5'10", or you can call me 178 centimeters. I'm not that tall, but yeah, it's decent. So if you are a calisthenics athlete and you are training for about a year, or you are on an intermediate level where you can do at least more than 10 pull-ups, then it's time to start weighted calisthenics. Because what happens is, if when you start calisthenics in beginning of months, like in beginning of 3-4 months during calisthenics, you will see a lot of tremendous amount of progress in calisthenics. But as the time reaches 3-4 months, after a certain amount of time, your progress stops. So there comes a game which is called weighted calisthenics. It will improve your overall strength. Your front lever will be improved, even your human flag, where you are just pulling yourself from the upper hand, your one arm pull up strength, you can pull your body weight plus extra weight with your two hands. So that's awesome. So yeah, training the weighted calisthenics plays a great role. I'm only having access to 20 kg weight, and in my room it's sufficient for me. I can do 4 reps with a 20 kg weight, so that's good. Or maybe not. You decide some. Okay, so the warm-up set has been done. I will be adding 10 more kg weight. Then we'll be doing my weighted pull-ups with 20 kg weight. Let's do it. So this is 20 kg of weight. I'm having a common cold, so my strength is bit down, but still I've already taken 2 days rest. In morning I did my front lever routine. I have already posted a video on that. Now I'm doing weighted pull-ups. Okay. All right. So it was first set. I will be doing at almost 6 to 7 sets of my weighted pull-ups. So yeah, what I was telling you that training weighted pull-ups or even weighted dips or any other weighted push-ups will give you more strength than ever, because then you drop that weight off, you will be like boom. So how could you start? Just start with a lighter weight, for example 5 kgs, okay, 8 kgs. Try to do 3-4 pull-ups, 3 to 4 pull-ups in one set. Do 4-5 sets one day, then take 3-4 days rest, or just 2 or 3 days rest, then come again, add more weight, around 11 kg, 12 kg. Do again 5 to 8 sets. The reps may be varying according to your strength, 3 to 5 reps or even 8 reps, 8 plus reps, as per your strength. So that's how you improve in your body weight movements. That's how you will improve your front lever. That's how you will improve your muscle ups, because you are having a more pull strength than before. So yeah, these were just some of the things that I just wanted to explain you. And that's it. I will do my sets and we'll just cut off the video. Okay, so that's it. That's what I wanted you to explain in this video to all the calisthenics athletes, those who are watching me. I'm not a professional athlete, I'm not an advanced or elite athlete, but yeah, I'm still learning, and I'm already having a experience of more than 5 years. But yeah, I'm not that advanced because of the consistency and my job, family, all these things mess up. I know that's an excuse, but I can't do anything about it. But yeah, I'm still doing it. I've came back better than ever. So okay, thanks for watching, and if you like the advice, like the video and share to the calisthenics athletes who are learning in a learning stage, who are just experimenting with their body. Okay, thanks.